She's saying that we're not supposed to like the haram, but isn't it true that sometimes there is pleasure in certain haram things, like having many, relationships, or maybe somebody really likes the feeling of being high? I mean, most people would, right? And so is there not reward in maybe still liking it but staying away? And the answer is absolutely. So as I said previously, we all have hawa, meaning we all have a lower self, we all have desires, and we all have whims. We're not saying that we are angels and we don't have any of desires that might contradict. The point is that we do, and that's why we have to manage and regulate it. And we are rewarded for doing so. So for example, there's a hadith that said that if someone had the intention to do something good, and if they do that good deed, they'll get 10 times good deed, right? 10 good deeds. If they had the intention to do something good, but they end up not doing it. So say someone had the intention to come to the masjid, but they couldn't come. They'll still get rewarded 1 good deed. This is the mercy of Allah. So you're intending to do something good. Even if you don't do it, you still get rewarded. If you do it, you get 10 times. Now let's look at the other side. Someone who intends to do something bad. They have the desire and they're actually intending to do it. If they do it, well, if it was, equal, what should they get? 10 bad deeds. They get only 1. Now watch this. This is the part that is like mind blowing, right? And that is that if they intend to do a bad deed, so along the lines of what you're saying, they are desiring something that's bad, but they hold themselves back from doing it, they actually get a good deed. See? Remember with the good deed, even if you didn't do it, you get a good deed. But with a bad deed, if you intend it but you don't do it, you actually get a good deed. And this is the mercy of Allah, and it shows us that Allah rewards us for the mujahada against our hawa, meaning that we are struggling. We're all struggling. None of us are angels. We all have, look, just give you one example. Do we love our sleep? Yes. Yes, we love our sleep. Would we love to sleep rather than wake up at 5:30 in the morning and pray? Okay, it might feel a lot better, like in terms of our bodily needs, because as human beings, we have our soul, we have our qalb, and we have our body. For the body's like, I would prefer to sleep, right? But the qalb and the soul that is healthy would get more pleasure from praying. But the point is that we have that struggle, right? We have that struggle because we are also a body, and we are also a nafs. We also have a nafs, and we have hawa, we have desires. So, absolutely. It's not about not having any desire or or never wanting something that is not allowed. It's about what are we struggling against the hawa for the sake of Allah, and that's rewarded. In fact, it's rewarded very much.